Hello. In this segment, one of my favorite segments, we're going to be talking about civilization and government. And especially, we want to talk about how writing aided the process of urbanization, which is the development of cities. Well, as you can imagine, writing was first used for the making of deeds. And the surest way to be able to get people together and continue on towards developing a city is to be able to develop a deed of sale so that somebody knows that a particular property is theirs and that it doesn't belong to anybody else but them. And this is what happened. Also, we talk about the idea of writing as used in some of the epic poetry of the time. And I've got a great movie for you in many parts. It's the Epic of Gilgamesh, which was the first epic poem that was written. And it talks about a king from Uruk in Iraq and how he was seeking something and did he find it? And I'm going to leave that for you to discover. So within the PowerPoint, I've got some interesting developments so far as civilization goes. One of the earliest civilizations were found from about 3100 BC in the Orkney Islands in Scotland. And we see the development of an area for an extended family. And so you'll see this diagram as we move on through this PowerPoint. We also have information such as scepters that would be scepters. I'm sorry, that would be used by kings to grant people entrance to them or not. We also have various pieces of artifacts such as music, lyres that were used by kings that feature the bull symbol, and certain steels, such as the steel of Naram Sin. This is a narrative story of a king and his conquest over his enemies. We have other kinds of opportunities, such as the structures like the Lion's Gate that you're going to find. And this is a very interesting structure, too. So enjoy, and we'll see you in the discussions.